Student Center is an online platform for students to manage their classes, view and send transcripts, view tuition and payments, and view financial aid. To access Student Center, navigate to the Estrella Mountain homepage. We recommend a web browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for the best experience. Scroll down on the homepage and click on the link named my.maricopa.edu. Scroll down on the new page and click on the Student Center link. You'll be asked to log in with your MEID and password. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by Student Center's homepage. Managing classes is done in the enrollment area. To learn more about adding and dropping classes, watch our How to Add Drop Classes video. Viewing transcripts is done by clicking Other Academic and then Request Transcript. You can choose between an unofficial or official transcript. To view financial aid information, click on View Financial Aid. Notice that any holds on your account due to financial reasons will instead appear underneath Holds. You also have the option to create a payment plan by selecting My Payment Options/Manage My Payment Plan. If you want to view your grades or your progress towards graduation, you can do so by selecting either Grades or Maricopa Student Progress, located underneath Academic History. That's all for this video. If you want to learn more about the Student Center, or if you have any other questions, you can contact us at the Computer Commons.